my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to quickly review this beautiful wig. I'm so excited about this wig by YSwigs. Yeah, if you are interested in all the specs, all the details, just keep on watching. All right guys, so the style that I'm wearing is the short bob GX 3151 wig by YSwigs. This does have a pre-plucked hairline. It is 12 inches. It is a lace front wig with 130% density. And of course it does come with baby hair in the front, and the color is a natural color, and I am wearing a medium cap size. Let me just start by saying I was completely blown away by how much I love this wig on. When I first received this wig, I was like, oh, okay. I didn't think that it was gonna be anything special. You know, it just didn't look like anything special. The picture was nice, you know, so I was like, anything that's short right now is really up my alley because it's super, super hot. So I was just like, huh, all right, you know, I guess it'll be cute. But when I finally, like, I was having some issues with the hairline, not because of the wig, it's just because I just messed up. So yeah, but once I finally got it all styled like this, I like am so in love with this wig. I'm so in love with it. It is absolutely stunning. I was very, very shocked on how much I actually love this wig, and I just think it's so cute. And it just, I don't know, the curls in it, it's like everything about it is pretty much like perfect. And I mean, ugh, I hate to like say that a wig is perfect because not everything is perfect, but so far so good. Not too much to say about it because it is a very simple short bob. The cut on it is very nice. You definitely see the angle on it. The curls are beautiful, beautiful curls in this wig, and the density is perfect on it too. I have gotten some shedding, a couple hairs, nothing like too serious. I've got no tangles at all, absolutely no tangles. But it does come with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap, your standard cap, you know, nothing too special about it. And it is a lace front wig, so you only have a certain amount of room to do all your parting with. So of course you get the most amount of space in the middle of your head, and then it tapers off at the end, so you can only go so deep with this, like with the side part that I have right now. As far as straightening this hair, I am not straightening this hair. I'm not touching it with any heat. I did just use a little bit of heat right around here, right at the root, because I can't find my hot comb. I don't know, it like grew legs or something and walked away. But anyways, I would have used that, but the flat iron worked just fine. And I use my Baby Bliss flat iron. I will link the one that I use for everything down in the bottom, of course, in the description box. And I'll also put all the specs for this wig down there as well, so that you will have it. Anyways, not too much to say, only positive. I hope you guys can feel my energy from this wig. I really like it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Great job, YSwigs. Very shocked, very surprised, very happy as well. So anyways, you guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I will put all of that down here at the bottom. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video from me. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.